Hi guys, it's another video of opening up the Kinder Code Mins. Sorry guys. So this is the one opening up. So yeah, her name Peaches. And then the girl I'm actually opening up with you guys is Rainbow Kate. And you know what's cool? Because my sister Daisy, she's got the doll of this one. Yeah. And I've got the rabbit. Literally the rabbit with the drink. Do you know what's cool about the rabbit? Is that this? Oh, it looks so cute, doesn't it? Okay, now this is the one which has been opened. But if I get her, I would have the rabbit and the doll. And because Daisy's got the big dollar, this and the pet. Okay, so let's start to open it. So, yeah, so basically, these are like her pajamas. So this is the other girl. She looks so nice. Oh, let's just put on her pajamas. So this is the other girl. She's so nice, pretty. I love her hair. So here they are together. Yee! So Rainbow Kate and Peaches are okay. Now they're at the packages. Let's play some. Yeah, alright. So this is all. How am I doing that? So now, I'll show you all the stuff. Then I got this for Christmas. I wore it for my birthday, and then I got a new Hydro Flask. It was so cool. It's like rainbow sunset with pink and blue. Okay, that's all for today's. Thank you, and I love Azzy. Please subscribe us, and I've already subscribed you. So please, Azzy, watch this video.